Anhui store is not enough, so this super transformer of nearly 1 yuan run 1,000 mi. Water and road combined transportation came to. After watching a video, it is one large trucks weighing up to 600 ton. Escort team composed of all sectors of the system. Road closures along the way. In case of obstacles, various demolition, through many difficulties. How to complete Nortel Southern, lighting up the livelihood task of Jianghuai. Value per unit, just over 80 million yuan in super transformer. Departure from Shandong Rizhao Port. After driving along the Yangtze River, passed through the Jianghuai Canal, thousands of kilometers upstream. Finally arrived at Anhui Lujiang Wharf. The masters began to board the ship to prepare for these super transformers. It is the core equipment that makes Anhui no longer lack elect in order to ensure the stability of the hull during hoisting. To transport ships will be used to hold the hull at all times. Violent impact startled the dogs on the boat. After successful fishing, this shy glasswater land transportation is about to decisive battle for land transportation. A giant crane specially made for lifting transformers. All prove the importance of allowing people in Jianghuai to use elect. The Mercedes-Benz 3X is shining on the sextop. This mission, to tractors with a total value of over 8 million will be required. The two cars need to be connected by two large beams. The transformer is installed between the two boards for transportation. After the two plates are fixed, another big bend tractor. Align the two-plate cutting port and reverse. The assembled transporter. The total length has come to 89. The concept of 89 meters. You're driving a 30-story car, down and running on the road. The two cargo boxes are located directly below the transformer. The crane master controls the machine and puts the wire rope down the hook. The lifting weight displayed by the crane computer is 369 tons. Comrades, the super transformer with lightning access, it will be loaded in place soon. While the transformer goes down, the master needs to adjust the hand hoist. The purpose is to make the transformer fit tightly to 100. More than 80 million super transform safe loading completed. What I'm going to show you next. It is the #1 power project, lightning grid access project in the challenge of large-scale transportation in the last 30 kilometers of road facing sharp road closures, micro-bridges, rural trails, and other difficult. How do we respond? But we will win. The earth of Jianghuai will surely be lit up. Fireworks salute. The battle for bulk transporters has officially begun. I left early, but I can't leave early. At this time, the weight of the vehicle is as high as 600 tons. The whole car has more than 250. Share this amazing pressure. On the platform, escorts are always ready to respond to emergencies. The 89-meter-long body is in a C shape when going through corners. This greatly reduces the radius required for turning. It's parked a tree away from the transporter. It's the national highway we're about to merge into. The relevant personnel are already preparing for the road closure. Prepare. Escort yellow vehicles waiting for a long time at various intersections. This car is full of big guys. Later, enter the village road. He will start the transformation lever car. This pickup truck is a flexible escort. It's him after the road. This mission, there are about 50 car owners and escorts alone. The remaining police cars are highways too. Cooperate with the transportation and road closure of the super transformer throughout the process. After the road closure is complete, the transporter starts to drive into the national highway. In order to facilitate the steering of the greenery that should have been in the middle of the road, it has long been raised to the ground. The transporter is like a giant gluttonous snake. Snake tails can't see each other. It's all on the walkie-talkie. Two 630 horsepower Benz tractors are pulled forward and pushed back, work together, and you drag this super transformer to the converter station. This journey spans thousands of kilometers. It runs from north to south. It also means people's livelihood. It is always the first priority in national construction. At the back of the convoy, two white Ibicos, side by side. Other escorted vehicles will block the overtaking gap. Effective prevention of social vehicle congestion. At a major intersection, escorts have stopped for weeks of vehicles in advance. Wait until the transporter passes safely before releasing it. Cross the intersection. Transporter to the right. To ease traffic. Will stay here for a few minutes. The escort quickly got out of the car and placed the ice cream. Continue to hit the road after the blocked vehicles are cleared. Here comes the second challenge. You will also be able to experience the Nortel South Pivot better from here. The determination to light up the land of Jianghuai for the safe transportation of super transformers. The bridge that spans the railway. And it reinforces it. The transporter officially began to climb the bridge. Nearly 600 tons of weight were driven on the bridge. It is a rigorous inspection of the quality of the bridge. White Iveco is blocking all traffic from behind. Before the transporter got off the bridge, all vehicles are not allowed on the bridge. The difficulty of transporting super transformers goes beyond that. It will arrive at the front of the exchange car soon. Charge the country roads. For better recording, escort the hardships and challenges on the road. I updated the device overnight. If you also want to upgrade your equipment, need cash flow, you can try the Rest Assured loan in Douyin Wallet. Open Douyin, click me, my wallet, and borrow it with confidence. Click to view quota. Maximum borrowing 300. There are also irregular interest-free activity, cashback activity. Just wait until the salary arrives and is paid. Here you go. Lean to your right. The yellow van also put up the poles. The height of the pole is the maximum height of the transporter. Complex country roads. It's all up to it to open the way. This intercept. Our transporter is designed to turn right, but it can't be turned. So use the left side for better steering. Swap the front and rear tractors. It's like driving a train. Front car becomes rear car. Rear car becomes front car. After the direction change is completed, you can drive forward in a straight line. Courage on rural roads. A car this big is walking down the street in front of your house. Would you be scared? The car has just officially started the mainline mission. He will dissuade all vehicles in each opposite lane. If you can't persuade or no one is there, the big guy in the car has a place to use. Push directly. When my father comes, I have to make way first and then check. Safe transportation of high-priced super priority level full. After all, the lights that light up the people. It is the highest level Shangfang sword. A little to the right. You see, sometimes a Sanbazi stops and outward person due to the complete obstruction of the rear tractor's line of sight. So the driver of the car in front is the eye of the car behind. The dry car continues to move forward. Yeah, there's an old man in the driveway. Played limbo microsteps with the escort. 1 foot of the electric door rushed directly in the direction of the Is there a 4-pock marked one here? Here comes an old man. Simazi old man music. So they say, is this car called Sanazi or Old Manle? But no matter what it's called, it's dangerous to drive like this. Normally, large trucks have many blind spots. We safely passed purely humanoid radar. There's a Mercedes on the left. The Mercedes guy leans on his right hand. After hours of walking the streets, we're finally getting closer and closer to the converter station. Safely crossed the last small bridge on the whole line. State Grid Converter Station. Only a few hundred meters left. This journey is thousands of kilometers. Water and Road Transport Union. A transformer guarded by countless relays. Finally reaching the starting point of his life's mission. Along the way, the port opened the gates for the Sea View escorts him. Crane for him. Designed to rebuild the bridge for him. The efforts of many people and the difficulties. Do what you want. Just for 8 words, lightning into the bowl. Light up Jianghuai. There are more than 20 such super transformers. All the way, the cost of supporting him is already sky high. But for Anhui, more spending. It can't compare to you, who can make you in the land of Jianghuai. There is a ray of light in front of you. The importance of always illuminating your world. Now, the masters began to prepare for the transformer unloading. After placing the 2 rail cars in place, the transporter drives straight ahead. Make it transformer side. Perfect alignment of 2 rail cars. The whole process needs to be accurate to millimeter errors. You're going to need 100 of these. The entire transformer is jacked up through the hydraulic cylinder. After the height is, place wooden squares at the 4 corners of the transformer. Then it can be disassembled. 2 large beam plates clamping the transformer. After the disassembly was completed, the Dabin tractor drove. The super transformer just stands on the wooden square. Then the masters put 40,000 caddies. The top is placed around the transformer. Because the overall height is not enough now, rail car comes in. And the master in charge of control on the others then carefully wipe the pressure gauge. Just in case you read the numbers wrong later, the pressure of a certain 10,000 caddies broke the watch. After the 10,000 caddies are pushed up, put wood in, raising transformers on one side. when the railcar is parked in place. The second appearance of the Davin tractor with the body disassembled. Need him to power the railcar. Under his lead, more than 360 tons of transformers slowly move forward. Less than 50 meters from the installation location, the tractor needs to change direction. Converts from the initial pull to push back. Go, go, go! Due to the stress point on a log, the master suppressed the speed of the vehicle to the extreme. Yellow crane stop. In front of it is the end point of the movement of the transformer. After the transformer reaches the silent parking spot, the last pound of our waterway trip, successful relay. This super transformer will fight here for the people of Jianghuai for life. This issue of Lightning Access, the journey of the super transformer, is over. I am Joe Waikuit, looking forward to meeting you next time. The main battlefield below is handed over to the installer, and the transport masters drive arrows that split into car, embarked on the escort road of the next voltage generator.